Subject to today's video is the 10 worst mistakes new beginning affiliate marketers make and how to avoid them. Hello, my name is Don Novak and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate marketing program that charges you to join. If they ask you for your credit card, do your research first before you give them your credit card. Okay, now what are the 10 worst mistakes beginning affiliate marketers can make? 1. Not finding the right affiliate programs to sell. Do not try and reinvent the wheel. Sell what is already selling. First, start with the 3 top selling categories, which are home business, aka e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, such as weight loss, and personal development, which includes self-help and spiritual belief systems. I already have a previous video on how to do this. Just click on the subscribe button below to watch that video. Second, not thinking long term. Be ethical, focused on the best products, not the best commissions. Build your customer base by only selling products or services that have real value, something that you would buy and use yourself or would recommend to friends and family without hesitation. The third mistake beginners make is they don't diversify, not diversifying. Do not build your entire business on one affiliate program or one category of programs. If you are relying on income from one program and Google Ads decides to take that program down for whatever reason they come up with, your income is instantly cut off till you can appeal their decision. Also, for example, if you are in the weight loss category, diversify to a completely another different category, such as online chat jobs or whatever piques your interest and is trending up. 4. Not having back-end recurring commissions. Stick with products or services that offer back-end recurring commissions, such as monthly customer orders of weight loss pills or software programs that have a monthly subscriber fee. This strategy will earn you thousands of dollars more over the long term, and it costs you nothing extra in ads. 5. Not reading your affiliate program's terms of service and conditions. Most all affiliate programs have restrictive conditions that you must adhere to, or you will be terminated from that program if you violate their terms. Amazon is the worst. A typical restriction is to not use certain keywords in your ads, such as the name of the program you are promoting. For instance, if you are selling Exipure, Exipure will not allow you to use the keyword Exipure. 6. Not having good content and keywords. What you say in your ads and the keywords you use are hugely important. Do a Google search on the product or service that you are creating content for, and copy and paste the content your competitors are already using on their ads that appeals to you. This also includes headlines that grab your attention. Then rework that ad content, make it your own, and those headlines, rework them into your own ad. Do some serious keyword research. I use the Google Ads Keyword Planner and Neil Patel's new ubersuggest.com. That's ubersuggest.com. Also, using an Excel spreadsheet for all this data will keep your head from exploding. Number 7, not slowing down. Do not start spending $1,000 a day with Google Ads or any other promotion. You could lose everything you'll have by doing this. Start a new campaign, let's say on Google Ads, with just $10 or even $5 a day budget. Test, test, test. Let the market response to your ad be your guide, not your emotions. Keep daily stats on a spreadsheet for each ad you run, and also do split testing on your ad's headlines and content. Run your numbers every day. 8, do not get paralyzed. Who dares wins is the motto of the SAS British Commandos. Overanalysis can lead to paralysis. Thinking too much can lead to fear, and then you end up doing nothing. Remember, you control your budget, and you can test almost anything you try to sell for only $5 a day on Google Ads. And you can pause that ad at any time and rework the content, the headlines, and then start it again until it works. 9, not building your customer email list. Not building up your customer email list is a huge mistake. One method is to use ClickFunnels opt-in pages to collect customer email addresses by offering them a teaser, such as a free ebook or a free list of solutions that relates to the product or service you are promoting. You can see my offers below for free ebooks. And last but not least, number 10, not getting coaching. If you are a beginner, you absolutely need coaching. Affiliate marketing has so many ins and outs and ups and downs. You need the wisdom of mentors who have been around the block and are already very successful affiliate marketers. So not getting a coach is stupid. Having a coach will fast track you to success and save you from costly rookie mistakes. Click on the links below where it says see more below for a list of my recommended coaches. The simplest and best affiliate marketing coach for beginners is Devin Brown. You can find his link below. The best Google ad and ClickBank training is with John Cristani and his SAS training program. His link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And Anthony has dollar numbers in the ClickFunnels 2 million dollar awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, John Cristani, Devin Brown, or Pajama Profits, click on my links below where it says see below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.